In front of me is our Magic 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Biometrics and Password. Then tap on Lock Screen Password, hit Change Unlock Method and pick one of those locking methods by clicking on a perfect one for you. Create it. Repeat it to confirm it and hit Done at the bottom right corner. Now you can add your fingerprint right away by selecting Add in the pop-up or hit Cancel and do it later. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!